All right, this is the compost pile. Obviously the sun is behind me. This is 2 pallets side by side standing vertical. If you'll notice, they're 5 feet high, so they're 5 foot pallets. And there's in the center here, I don't know if you can see this or not, but in the center, you see that bulge right there at the top? That's actually one of these cages right here. It's the standard tomato cages that it's wrapped about halfway up with PEX tubing. Now, the problem with the PEX tubing is that the 1-inch PEX tubing is designed for hot water. And so it connects to 1-inch CPVC, and which is a totally different size than 1-inch PVC, which is designed as for cold water. So I had to use some adapters to try to connect the 1-inch CPVC or PEX tubing in here with the 1-inch CPVC or PVC, and it didn't work. So I had to tear the thing almost down to find the leak, and I replaced it. Now what I did was, I learned about a couple of months ago that you could take this PVC, and this is, and I'm just learning how to do this. This is PVC here, right? And a little, sort of a cream color is going to be CPVC. So since they're different size, the CPVC was actually a little larger than the PVC, but this PVC would not fit on the inside. I actually heated up the CPVC on my grill, gas grill, and got it pliable, and then stuck this on the inside to create a makeshift joint that worked perfectly well. And as a matter of fact, I will show it to you right over here. And if you will see that joint right there, you see that joint right there, that is a CPVC. That this side right here is a CPVC, this is the PVC, and I expanded this up, will be making it pliable. What's interesting, once it cooled off, it actually shrank down and grabbed a hold of that PVC, and I mean, it is a tight joint now, so it's not leaking at all. So what I've got now is I've got the sump tank running. This is the cold line, so this is coming from the cold. This side right over here is coming from the sump tank. Half the water from the sump tank is going here. The other half is going into the media bed. It's going in here through 100 feet of PEX tubing, wrapped circularly around. Well, you can't see my hand. Circularly around that tomato cage on the inside and covered up with compost. And then it comes out on the hot side right over here, goes into the greenhouse underneath the deck, and the exposed pipes underneath there, hopefully it'll heat up, cause the greenhouse to be a little hotter as well. So now we just got to wait on the compost pile to heat up. I had gotten the temperature up to about 165 on my test compost pile, so I'm fully expecting that this one to get up to 165. So there we are. That's the free heat compost pile. We're hoping that it's going to work. See you, bye.